What's going on, everyone? It's RGB Tech back here again. And in today's video, we're taking a look at a brand new Windows emulator for Android devices. And this is MICEWINE, a powerful Windows emulator that's officially available on its open source GitHub page. If you're familiar with tools like the Horizon emulator or Winlator, you'll feel right with this one. Today, I'll show you how to set it up and get started. Just scroll down and you'll see that the minimum version is Android 10 or higher. Both the Adreno 600 and 700 series GPUs are compatible. Now simply go to Releases. Here you need to download MICEWINE package. Here, select Assets and download this package. And one more thing, you need to download MICEWINE root FS file, which is very important in order to work emulation. Go to Releases. Here download this file too, MICEWINE root FS arch64 file. It's the main core file for emulation. So download both of these files, both package and root FS file. Now install MICEWINE package. After that, open the MICEWINE. Tap on Continue, All Permission. Now here you need to select the root FS file, which we downloaded now. Go to the path. Choose MICEWINE root FS file. And this is arch64 based file. The installation process is quite similar to Winlator if you remember, and it's pretty to set up. Alright, now go to Settings. Configure MICEWINE settings. Go to Box 64 settings. Here set Box 64 DynaRec safe flags to value 0. I'll leave the other settings as default. Now to Wine settings. Here enable Wine eSync. Now get back, go to Display settings. Set the display resolution based on you prefer. Always prefer lower for better performance. Here enable CPU usage counter if you want. Now go to driver settings. Here DXVK is already set. Select DXVK version, so currently the DXVK 2.5 is the latest. Vulkan D3D is set to 2.13. Mango HUD is enabled for FPS meter. Profile is set to GL 4.6. Alright, now get back. Now go to controller map. You can also map your controller. If you are using a PS4 or 5 or any controller of your choice. Additionally, there is a virtual controller map that allows users to create their own controls. You can map keys, buttons as shown here. And driver manager, here it's already set to the latest Mesa Turnip Driver 25 version. All right, go to Home section. Start the desktop. It loaded very quickly, but it's still not displaying my phone storage drives here. Let's go to its app settings. Go to Permissions. Enable Files Permission. Also make sure to set battery to no restrictions to improve more performance. Now close MICEWINE and reopen it again. But still it's not showing. But don't worry, you can directly load system game files from the Home tab. I'll show you. So if we go to Start, there are some applications in here. Go to Wine Configuration. Set system version to Windows 10. Additionally, there are DirectX tests included here, like the cube map we already seen on Winlator or Mobox, and the Dolphin test too. They also provided some tweaks like you can set fake GPU, fake video memory, and the graphic settings as well. If we go to back, here there are some options like Stretch Desktop, Open Overlay, you can edit controller, like same on Winlator. Now exit. But don't worry, you can directly open the games straight from the file manager. So go to the path where you copied files. In this video, I'll be testing out the God of War. You can directly run these applications from here. It's pretty simple, without loading up the desktop or whatsoever stuff. As you can see at the corners, it displays the RAM and CPU usage. On the right, it shows the driver version and GPU name. It's started. Oops, it's got stuck in here. That's the setup for the MICEWINE emulator. It's still not working properly and gets stuck, but soon I'll do test more on it once it's sorted. Let me know if you want to see that. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.